Fine. Today we'll discuss about the transfer posting. Okay. So last class we had a discussion about what about automatic account determination. Okay. In that we have learned how to configure the account determination. That is nothing but FIMM integration. Okay. So next in this session, so these are all the moment types we are going to use for transfer posting as well as for maintaining the physical inventory. Okay. So we have learned about this goods receipt. Okay. So once again we'll see the goods receipt. Okay. So to we'll move to goods receipt. So for that we have a T code MIGO. Okay. This is our T code. Fine. So I'll just open SCP. 1 minute. Okay. So first we'll see the configuration part. Okay. So how to configure. So the whatever I am showing you the configuration part in goods receipt. So same for goods issue. Okay. So you just practice by yourself. So we'll see how to create a number range. So in this we'll get only number range. And the standard document type for goods receipt is WE. Goods issue is WA, transfer posting WA, physical inventory is WI. Okay. Based on the document type, we have to configure the number ranges. Okay. So for that, we'll go to SPRO configuration. We'll just log in this. Okay. So let me check whether made it for recording or not. Yeah. Okay. So go to SPRO. So go to reference IMG. It. Then go to material management. Material management. In this, we have inventory management and physical inventory. Okay. So first configuration is plant parameter. So click on this plant parameter. Okay. So here what we'll do. So we'll just find out our plants. So JSP1. No, we don't have, but we have to maintain this. So click on. We'll do one thing. So here we have standard. See, this is the plant. This 1000 is the standard. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll just copy this. And what is our plant? This is JSP1. We have to maintain this. Okay. See, it has been copied and just save it. Okay. Again, we have two plants, right? Again, go to 1000 plant. What is that? 1000. So just copy this. So which is our another plant, JSP2. SP2. Okay. Press enter. See, Jindal plant one and just save it. So the span parameters we have to maintain. Go back. So next we have number ranges. So for that we have here goods receipt, and for goods issue we have here. Okay. So what we need to do? Click on goods receipt. Okay. Goods receipt. Then here 1 minute. I will get back to you. Okay. So here we have, so don't go to goods. Here we have number assignment. So go to number assignment here. Here we have tick. To go to inventory management. Under this we have number assignment. Okay. So here you have to go to define number range for accounting documents. So click on this. So once you click on this here, financial accounting document type. So somebody has locked this. Just copy. How to delete this? What is the T code? What is the T code to delete locked entries? Okay. Go back. Okay. Sorry. So it will be SPRO again. Function SPRO. Go to reference IMG. Then go to material management. Then go to inventory management. So here we have number assignment. First, define number ranges for accounting document. Okay. So click on this. So first, financial accounting document type. Click on this. So once you click on this, so I have told you our standard document type is WE. So you need to check whether we have it or not. WE. Here we have standard document type. Okay, don't copy and don't create your own. So as it is, whatever we have the standard document type, we have to take the document type and we need to create number ranges. Okay, nothing to do in this. You just check it, save it, and go back. So next, financial accounting number ranges. This is very important. Okay, so click on this. So here we need to enter our company code JSWL. So here we have to click on this intervals. Click on this. Here already we have maintained. So 2022 already we have maintained here. Okay, this document type. Suppose if you have, see, only thing is, suppose if you are in 2023, so already we have, now we are in 2022. So suppose if you are in 2023, what you need to do, you need to just insert the new line and you have to maintain it here, okay, in the top. Okay, select it. So don't give number, just give 2023 year. Okay, from to same thing you have to copy this thing, and for the particular year it will maintain. Okay, so already I have maintained. Okay, so nothing to do in this. Just go back to save the changes. No. Okay, we are done with that. So next, what you have to do, you need to go back. Here we have define number assignment for material and physical inventory. Just click on this. So here you have groups. Okay, so click on these groups. So what you have to do, you need to create your own number range. So click on this, create. So what you can give, Jindal, JINDL, Jindal, GR number range 2020. Okay. So here you have to maintain 2022, and this you just go to this. So you just check it, existing. So only we have here. See, already we have. Okay. So what you can do is you just press Control Y to copy. Press Control Y and take this So little bit tricky is there in this. Or if you do one thing, you just double click on this. Okay. And you just paste it here, and you can view. So we actually in the practice server, so it is sometimes it will give error. See, no error. See, ours is 5000. Just save it. See here, usually you will get this overlap. So what you can do, you just view 999, enter. If you go and save, see, okay. So in real time server, you won't get these types of issue. So already you know the procedure because so many of the users already acquired the number ranges. So only I have just shown you the procedure. So here what you have to do, you need to select your number range. Suppose if you have created particular number range, select it. Already I have shown you while creating number ranges for material. Same procedure you have to follow here to create number range. But the thing is, the document type you have to copy to this one. So you just find out the document type. Here you have document type. Select it. Click on element group. So whichever number range you have created, you just select it and it will assign. Okay. So nothing is there in this. So you just practice. Okay. So in real time, you won't find these types of errors. Okay. You just go through it. So same thing for goods issue also. So I'm not showing you that. So now I will show you goods receipt. So what exactly the goods receipt is. So for that, first what I will do, I will create a new material. Okay. I will create a new material. So only to understand you the concept. So 1 minute, JNDL, Jindal raw material. So I want Jindal raw material. Okay. Enter, enter, and just give JSP1 and JSS1. Press enter. Okay. So here you can give Jindal raw material for transfer posting. Okay. To understand you the concept of transfer posting, I am creating this material. So what is the unit of measure kg, and the material group is JMG, I think. Okay. Yeah. Press enter and press enter and then press enter, enter, enter. See, JROH violation class has been fetched. So this I will give 100. Enter, enter, and save. This 731 is our material. So what you can do, you just 7. Okay. Just save it. The next, please mute. So next you can maintain PIR also. /n ME11. Purchase organization we have, and we have JSP1. Okay. And vendor we will take. So this vendor itself, we'll just copy this and paste it. Press enter. Okay. So this we can maintain. Press enter. And planned delivery date, you can give 30 days. And net price we have, that is 100. Press enter. Enter purchase organization, JMG. What is our purchase organization? Not JMG. Sorry, purchase group. JS1. JS1. Press enter. So if you want to maintain conditions, You can maintain conditions also. Click on this, so it's not coming. You just save it. Okay. So next, you just see observe. I will open /n/mmv to check the stock. Okay. So 731, we just check it. So you don't have any material until unless if you want to create PO. So the on order stock will not update. So we'll see. Okay. So what we'll do /n me21n. We'll create on PO with this material. Okay. So here we have Jindal PO document. So vendor we have and purchase organization JSPO and JS1 and company code is JSWL. Material we have 731. Okay. 731%. See, here it has been fetched. Jindal material for transfer posting. Quantity I will take 200 and the price I will take 100, enter. And we need to maintain the plant also. Okay. So we have to maintain JSP1, enter. And we'll maintain storage location also, JSS1. Okay. See, and just check it. See, no message was put. Okay, fine, no issue. Go to message. And here you just check it. So new, press enter. Okay. And just save. So here you have to give what? LP01. Press enter. Go back and save. See here, document type document has been saved. So what we'll do, we'll just copy this PO. So we have created a PO. Where is PO? Yeah. So now we'll check whether the material has been updated or not. /o/mmb to check the stock. And now, so we'll delete this plant first. So check material. So go to this. See, 200 PO has been updated. Now we need to create goods receipt. Okay. So once you generate goods receipt, observe here. Okay. So 1 minute. How many of you have attended? Okay, fine. So you just observe here. See the stock, whatever the stock has been updated, that is on order stock. So you just observe here, we have unrestricted use, quality inspection, reserved is there, receipt reservation is there. Okay. Next, at last, if we go to this, here we have consignment order is there, that we'll see later. Okay. Stock in transit, we will see later. Transfers, this is also we'll see later. Here we have blocked. See, you observe, suppose. Okay. So this is not, see, we have ordered the material. So here, if you check the particular material stock, it shows you have ordered 200 stock. So once you receive the stock, you need to create goods receipt, right? So once you create goods receipt, that will update in this unrestricted use. Okay. That means whatever the stock you have ordered, that has been received in the warehouse. Okay, once the stock has been received in the warehouse, observe carefully, listen carefully. So here, once the stock has been received, okay, in the warehouse, it will be updated in unrestricted. So what the warehouse people will do, they will send the material to check the quality. Okay. Suppose the quality is okay, then they will go for invoice. Okay, then they will send the particular good quality of the material to the for the production purpose, right? Okay. Suppose the quality has been rejected, that will go to where blocked stock. That will go to blocked stock. Please mute. So we'll see, okay, how to create goods receipt. Okay, so /n migo. So this is very important. So in transfer posting, you have two methods. See, observe here. Here I have created in this. Okay, so here goods receipt. If you do goods receipt with moment type 101, that the particular stock will update it to unrestricted use. Suppose if you don't want, if you want to make it reverse, if you want to send back to the vendor, you have to use moment type 102. Okay, so both things we will see in this session. Okay, so in one you will see. Okay, here we have transfer posting. See here unrestricted. That means not used. Quality inspection. Okay, then blocked stock. See, this type of transfer posting should be within the plant. Suppose if you have received the material, if you are transferring the stock from unrestricted to quality, quality to block, block to quality, or quality to unrestricted, that means the transfer posting occurring within the plant. And second type of transfer posting is there with different location. That is with the company code. That is, so this transfer posting is within the plant. This transfer posting is within the company code. That means you can transfer the material from one storage location to another storage location with moment type 311, and you can transfer the material from one plant to another plant with moment type 301. That we will see. Okay. So once the quality has been checked, you need to send the material for the production purpose. Okay. For that we have different T code that we'll see. Okay. Fine. Okay. So now we'll see. So go to MIGO is our T code. So here you need to use goods receipt with respect to purchase order. Okay, without purchase order also we can create goods receipt. Here go to purchase order. What is our purchase order? Here we have, you just copy that, paste it. So what is our movement type? You have to observe here 101. You just goods receipt movement type. You just click on this. See here you have all the movement types. So these things you have to remember, not all. Okay, whatever I am showing you, this you have to remember. So once you work on in the real-time project, you can easily cope up with these things. So first is goods receipt for purchase order into warehouse. That means if you have received the particular material, you need to update that stock into the warehouse. You have to do this. So just select 101 is the movement type, then press enter. Okay. Then what is our material? So material already it has been taken. The quantity also. So what I will do, suppose if I have received 100 stock, you just press 100. Okay. So from where we have received, so where we need to update the stock. So plant 1 and storage location 1. Okay. So purchase order data, this is purchase order data. So partner, this is the partner. So once you have verified with these things, click on this, deliver item, okay, check it. See, deficit of purchase order quantity. There is a deficit. That means the purchase order is of 200, but you have received 100 kg. It is showing. Nothing to worry. Just press enter. Okay, you just post it. See, 1209 document number has been posted. If you go to particular MMBE, if you just refresh it, whatever it is in order that has been updated to unrestricted use. Okay. Suppose whatever the stock you have received, if you want to reverse this to vendor, what you can do? So go to again Migo. So here we have Migo. So here you just press your purchase order. Okay. So what you can do, you just click on this goods receipt, other. Okay. Goods receipt, other. Then moment type is reversal GR. Automatically it will take. So, but be careful while entering the data. See here, you just check it. If you go to 102, goods receipt for purchase order into warehouse reversal. So what it will do? So it will again send back the received material to the vendor. So here you need to enter the material number 731. So then only the data will fetch. See, if you go to quantity, suppose, see, observe carefully, in 100, you have received, so suppose if you want to send back the 50 material to the vendor, so you can enter 50 here. You just enter 50, okay? Where? From where? Plant, JSP1 and JSS1. Press enter. See here, reversal of GR. So, and then, so why we are sending back to the vendor that particular material? The reason for movement you have to give. Click on this. So you will get all the reasons here. Okay, why it is not showing? Okay, so press enter. Okay, nobody has maintained. Leave it. So you'll get the quality is not good like that. You will get the description. You just select in that, and then press enter. So once you press enter, then only it will update. Yeah, sorry. So click here. Oh, you are not getting. Delete this. Okay, leave it. Don't worry about this. So click on item. Okay, check it. Update control for movement is incorrect. Why? Quantity we have maintained. 731 we have maintained. Okay, where and partner already we have mentioned. So reason it will ask. Check. So we'll see what is the error. See, system couldn't find entry 102. 102. Why? So check once again. Close this. 102. Okay. I think 1 minute. We go to slash and Migo. So instead of other, we'll give material document. If we give material document, the same material document which we have created, if you enter, it is not showing. So here we'll give 102. So click on 102. So then here you have to give your purchase order. Okay. See now. See, don't give receipt other. Okay. Just give purchase order. With respect to purchase order only, we need to create this 102. If you go to where, see reversal of GR. So what you have to do? You need to send this. 100 is there. You just make it 50. Click on item. Okay. Check it. See, and post it. So what happens? So if you go to MMB, If you refresh it, see, observe here numbers. See, the 50 which we have received, that has been rejected. Again, it is sent back to the vendor. Still, it is pending. Okay. So all of you got it now. Any doubts? Any doubts in this?
Sir.
Any doubts? Okay. So next. So next we'll see how to use this transfer posting from unrestricted. The only thing is you need to remember this moment type. See, we can send unrestricted to quality, quality to unrestricted, unrestricted to block, block to unrestricted, and quality to block, block to quality. So that we'll see. So first we'll send this unrestricted to quality. This is our movement type. So what we'll do, we'll go to Migo again. Okay. Go to Migo and same purchase order you just give. And movement type is what? What is our movement type? We have 322. Okay. So here, no need to see because already we have received item, right? We don't want purchase order. We need to go to other here. Okay. So here, instead of 102, you have to enter 322. So you just drag it. You'll find 322. 322. It is 322. Hey, here we need to check transfer posting. Transfer posting other. Click on this. We have 322. So we'll get 322. Observe here. Here we have 322. See, transfer posting quality to unrestricted. Okay. So this is quality to unrestricted. Our material is in, see, the quality to unrestricted reversal means unrestricted to quality. Select this. Which material? What is our material? 731. Press enter. Okay. Press enter. Here, see, observe here. From where? See, here you will get one error. From where? From JSP1 storage location. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. 322. Okay. So press enter. So in this you won't get error. Later we'll get error. That I will show you how to solve. So go to material here. Material we have entered. Okay. So then go to quantity. How much quantity we need to send? So here we have 50 material. In unrestricted, we'll send 25 to quality. 20 to quality. Okay. Go to press 20. Then select where we need to send. So this is not an issue. Okay. So transfer within the plant. So I told you within the plant. See, this is 322. Sorry. 322. Okay. Then press enter. Okay. See, just click on item okay. Check it. See item okay and just post it. So we have posted the document. Now, once you come back to this, so how much quantity we have updated? 20, right? So refresh it. See, the 30 still it is in warehouse. 20 has sent to quality. Again, if you want to send this 20 to unrestricted, you have to use this movement type. See? Okay, 321. So next, what we'll do, we'll send, see, quality to unrestricted. So next, suppose if you want to block, suppose if you want to send unrestricted to block, So directly, if you want to block the material, what you can do? So go to again this. So what is the movement type for that? What is the movement type? We have unrestricted to block 344. Okay. So go back. So here you can give 344. So don't enter, you just browse it and give 344. 344. Yeah. See, block it stock to unrestricted. Reversal means unrestricted to block. Don't get confused in that. See, this should be 344. Then you need to give which material. 731. So how much quantity? Quantity is very important. So suppose if you have stock 30, if you want to block the 10 material, what you can do? So here I will give 10. Okay, where everything you have to enter. So we have maintained in this only. Enter, check it, and post it. See, document has been posted. Go back to this, refresh it. See that 30 has become 20 and the 10 has sent to blocked stock. So this has been blocked. Okay, got it now. Again, if you want to bring this blocked to unrestricted, we have here blocked to unrestricted, we have moment type 340T. Okay, suppose if you want to send back the particular blocked material to vendor, okay, again bring the material to unrestricted, then use 102 movement type. Okay, so that is reversal. Next, we'll see how to send quality to block. So same 350 movement type. So go back to this. So here, what I will do, I will give 350. See, quality to block reversal. So here also you can give 350. So this is all very important. So plant and which material? 731. How much quantity we need to block? So here we have how much quantity? We have 20. So what I will do in this out of 20, I will block 5. So go to enter 5, check it and post it. And post. So if you come back to this MMB is very important. See? Then the block is 15 stock. Again, so you can practice with these 3 codes. So this unit testing is very important. Okay. So this we have done with the transfer posting within the plant. So next we'll see within the company code with different location. This will make it within the company code. Fine. Okay. So we'll see here. See first, transfer posting from storage to storage, plant to plant. So we have only 2 movement types. Okay. So that we'll see. So here we need to go to see here the particular stock what we have maintained in unrestricted is see total 20 stocks are there. So in this 50, 15 is in quality and 15 is in blocked. Okay, fine. Here that has been maintained in JSP1, that is plant 1 and storage location 1. Now we will see the transfer posting with plant to plant. First, we'll see plant to plant. We have movement type 301. Okay. So we'll go to this same transfer posting other. So we will find the 301. So here 301. Press enter. See here material you have to observe carefully here. So material from where JSP1 only, right? Storage location JSS1. Suppose if you want to send this material to JSP2 plant 2 to storage location 2. Observe here. If you press enter, see here, you will get one error. Can you get anybody can guess the quantity? I will make it. So how much quantity is there? 20 is there. What I will do, I will make 10. I will send 10 stock to plant 2. Where? So from where? Okay. 301 from plant to plant. Partner, no issue. See here. If you check, you will get one error. The material 731 what we have created not maintained in JSP2, that is plant 2. Until unless if you won't maintain the particular material in plant 2, see the transfer posting from plant to plant or storage location will not occur. Okay. So how to do that? How to extend? See how to update the particular material to plant 2 if you have maintained the existing material in plant 1. So for that, what you have to do? You need to go to MM01, enter. See, observe carefully. So what is the material? 731. So industry sector, everything you have to give. Press enter. Press enter. Here, see, you have to give JSP2. And here you have to give JSS2. Press enter. See, once you press enter here, the material already exists and will be extended to plant 2. Okay. So again, if you maintain this procedure, whatever the plant and storage location you are given, that will update it to particular plant and storage location. See here, 731. Press enter, enter, and just save it. See now, see 731 only. So now, if you go to this, now if you check, oh, you need to come back once again. So go to Migo. Sorry, go to Migo. Press enter. So give 301 and material I will give 731. Now observe. So this I will give JSP1, JSS1, this I will give JSP2 and JSS2. If you press enter, the quantity I will make it 10, from where everything will be updated automatically. If you check it, accounting data not yet maintained for material JSP2. Accounting data. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I made a mistake. So same again, go to MM01, 731, press enter. 731, press enter, enter. Accounting data we have not maintained. JSP2, JSS2, press enter. Okay. See, this is accounting data. Here, I need to maintain accounts 100. Okay, just save it. Press enter and save and check. Okay. So material has been created. So maintained. Okay. Again, if you check, see item mode. Okay. So now, how much quantity we have? We are sending to plant to 10. And just post it. Okay. We have posted. If you come back to MMB, if you refresh it, you'll get JSP1 and JSP2 and JSS2 here. See here, 10 plus 10, 20 has been maintained in the storage location. Sorry, plant 1. So all of you got it? All of you got it?
Yes, sir.
So now we can send same thing from storage to storage. See, you just practice these things by yourself. So see, we have only one plant, one storage location in one plant. Okay. So you can create two different storage location, then only you will get it. So just I will show you. So 311 is movement type, right? Go to this. So the movement types are very important. So see here, 311, press enter. What is the material? 731. So here, you have to maintain the quantity. I will maintain 5. Okay. Where? From where? From JSP1, from JSS1. Okay. Suppose, see here, from JSP1. Suppose if you have a different storage location of particular plant. Okay, I have only one plant in this, one storage location in one plant. What you can do, you just create multiple storage location in single plant and you just try it. Okay, the stock will be updated. Got it, na? Or else shall I show you? Shall I show you or else you will practice? Hmm?
We will do it, sir. And
So this is easy, not an issue. You just practice. Okay, so next we have last two topics are there. See, goods receipt without PO. Okay. So with PO we can create, but how to create goods receipt? Suppose if we have not created any PO, okay, based on the, see, this will be updated only in the, suppose if you have contract, okay. Suppose, see, for contract and all, we are not going to generate PO, okay. So automatically whatever the orders has been quoted, okay. So automatically with whatever the delivery date has been mentioned in the contract, okay, the material will receive. Okay, for that we are not going to create any PO. In that case, we need to generate goods receipt without PO. For that, movement type is finite one. Prerequisites is material and vendor. Okay, prerequisites is material and vendor. So I will show you. Finite one is our movement type. So here you can go to same. Same transfer posting other and finite one. Sorry, not transfer posting. That is goods receipt. This is goods receipt. Here you have to give goods receipt, which should be other. Finite one is your movement type. See, observe here. Finite one. See, finite one. Goods receipt without purchase order into unrestricted stock. Click on this. Okay. Center, we have, see, here you need to enter the material 731 and how much quantity. Quantity I will make 100 and where it has to update. So we'll make it JSP2. JSP2, JSS2. Enter. Now it's found for storage. This is one. Okay, see, JSS1 because we have created for that. Okay, fine. So partner will give, we can give partner same. Use enter. See, material we have entered quantity 100, where from where partner we have maintained account assignment that is not required, leave it. Just check it. See here, new error we got. That means, see, INT, GBB, JVGC. Oh, 1 minute. What we'll do? This is very important error. So copy this error. So whatever the error you will get now, just maintain like this. Whatever I maintain tickets, that errors will call it as a tickets. Press enter and just paste it. So what I can do is just format. See this, these are all very important. Format this. Okay. See here. So this is account determination INT GBB JVGC. What is the JVGC? ZOB ROH. So that has not been maintained. What is this JVGC? JVGC is what? Valuation grouping code. That means, see, GBB JVGC ZOB JROH not possible. So if you get this type of, this is very important. Okay. So what you have to do, you need to go to OBYC settings, OB/N OBYC, and once you go to OBYC, go to GBB here. Okay, where is GBB? Here we have GBB. The chart of account is INT. Press enter. So INT. Okay, see now. See, this is easy method I am showing you. Once you copy the error like this, then only you can solve easily like this. So JVGC, ZOB, ROH is not possible. What you have to do? Go back. Here, valuation modifier. What is valuation modifier? That is nothing but valuation grouping code. Okay. So what you have to do? To create new. See, the general modifier is there. What is general modifier? This ZOB is general modifier. See, observe carefully. Where is ZOB? See, ZOB is there. What you have to do? Click on this new. What is valuation modifier? We have valuation modifier is JVGC. Valuation modifier is nothing but valuation grouping code. Copy this, paste it. Is this ZOB? Copy this. This is general modifier. Paste it. What is our valuation class? What is our valuation class? JROH. Copy and paste it here. And the GL account, what we have to give? So just enter account, it is asking. So account, what we'll do? We will give 3000 with respect to 3000. Okay, what we'll do? We will give. Where is our 3000? Just find it. Yeah, this GL account. Where is your? Yeah. So what I can do is just copy this only, paste it. Okay. So same, and then press enter and just save it. See, save it. So here you just observe JGC. See, JVGC, ZOB, JROS. Here the error it is telling INT GBB I have entered in OBYC setting. GBB I have entered, INT we had, but these three is not possible. It is showing that we have assigned here in OBYC setting. Where is that? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, here JVGC, ZOB, JROS. You just save it. Okay. So now come back. We'll see whether it has been solved or not. So you just check once again. Yeah, see, it has been solved. See, document is okay. Which GL account we have given? Observe which GL account we have given. See, 4 lakh GL account we have given. No? Back to this. See, what you have to do? You just post it. See, we have posted. Now, see, you just copy this document type. I will show you. So come back to MMB. If you just refresh it, see the stock, it has been updated here. See, 120. See, only 20 full stock was there. Now we have updated without PO. All of you got it now. Now we have given the GL account of 4 lakh. So where it will fetch? If you come back to this, if you click on goods receipt, if you click on display, yeah, goods receipt, come to material document. See, if you just copy this material document and paste it, press enter. Right? You just go to display, sorry, go to display there. So give this material and press enter. So once you press enter, see, this is our GR, right? Without PO. Okay. If you come to document info, if you click on FI document, see 4 lakh GL account we are given. Na? If you go to accounting document here, see the 4 lakh, the consumption raw material, the GBB, it has been fetched. See the 3 lakh, that is for BSX. Already we have maintained. Okay. This 4 lakh GBB, so the GL account has been assigned. So for this reason, we have to maintain, see this type of, see what you have to do. So what is the solution for this? So where we got this error we got while creating GR goods receipt without PO, right? So if you maintain account assignment, so what is the procedure we have solved? So for that, the same procedure. Okay, yeah. So this only copy and paste. So go to OBYC, select GBB, enter valuation modifier. Okay. What is valuation modifier? That is nothing but valuation grouping code. Okay. So what is valuation modifier? For this we have given JVGC we have given, right? Then general modifier is ZOB. ZOB, your valuation class and GL account. So we have given with respect to material type and issue has been solved. So all of you got to know this type of data you have to maintain while practicing as well as whenever you are working in the project, in any project, whatever the errors you will get, you have to note down this. Okay. Any doubts so far? Any doubts?
No, sir.
See, we have done with goods receipt without PO. Suppose, see, one more thing, last. Suppose here, sir, the material which is in unrestricted, which is in quality. Suppose, see, if it even though if it is in unrestricted, even though if it is in quality, even though if it is in blocked, that doesn't mean that that has been approved. So you, even though if it is in blocked, so these 3 areas are called warehouse areas. See, all the 3 areas, this unrestricted use, quality inspection, and blocked, 3, and as well as this reservation, consignment, and many are there, I will tell you. But as of now, you just consider these 3. These 3 will remain, these 3 will be always in the warehouse. Suppose if you want to send, suppose the quality, whatever we have received is fine. Suppose if you want to send that particular material for the production, you need to create goods issue, not goods receipt. So here I will show you. Go to Migo. You have to create goods issue. You have to issue the goods to the goods for the production, right? So for that, go to this goods issue. Okay. Then go to other. See other. Then moment type for. See, I forgot to maintain weight. You have here. See, the moment type is 201. Okay. So that I will maintain here. What we'll do in goods issue? Issuing the goods for the okay, issuing the goods for the production. First moment type is issuing the goods to the production. Okay. So what we'll do? So here 201 is our model. See GI for cost center. So here you can give 731 material. Okay. So material quantity. See observe here. If you observe here simultaneously, you will get idea. So total stock, how much stock is there? 120. Okay. So total stock we are in warehouse is 120. So here what I will do, I will send 20 for the production. So where, which plant? JSP1. Which storage location? JSS1. See, just press enter. Stock type from where? So I am sending the material from quality. From quality we have only 15, right? Okay, what we'll do? Quantity you can make 10. Okay, so just check it. Combination of moment type and stock type. Stock type. Okay, it should be unrestricted only. Don't change that. Okay, so quantity I will give 20. Just check it. Account, see again same problem. Okay, so usually you will get this type of problem. Try to solve. See, these are the major errors you will find in real time also. So same procedure. Okay, go back to this. So enter, paste the error. So go format the painter and select this. Just click this. See INT GBB. Here we are having general modification. VBR we have not maintained. VBR, even though here VBR we have, okay, but here we have not maintained. What you have to do? Again, you need to go to OBYC setting. So go to OBYC setting. Already we are in this. Okay. Go to OBYC setting. So what we need to check? INT GBB. Go to GBB here. GBB. Enter. And here INT we have given. So what you have to do? So you just position JVGC. Already we have assigned JVGC ZOB. See, but we have to maintain BBR. Okay. So click on new. So what is validation modifier? We have JVGC. General modifier. What is the general modifier we need to give? VBR. So VBR. What is the validation class? JROH. JROH. Okay. Then what account type we'll give? So we can give this 4 lakh only. Okay. Go back here. We just paste it. Okay. Just save. See. So when we were taking the training of these errors, so no one trainer has solved these types of errors while providing training. Okay. So go to this, close this. Again, you just check if it has been solved. And just post it. See, 20 quantity we have sent for the production purpose. Come back to this, refresh it. See here, you just observe here. The 20 we have sent for the production. Nowhere you will get whichever the material you have sent for the production. See, you won't get the data of that. So that data will get by other consultant, whoever is related for production. Okay. PP, production planning department will get. So all of you got it now how to issue that particular material. Any doubts so far? So this is very important. This is very important. Practice this, and what are the errors I have shown you now, maintain like this. Okay. So you just what I'll do, I just copy this error you got while creating goods issue, right? Issue. So please maintain like this. So here GBB, GVGC general modifier is VBR, sorry, VBR. Okay. Got it. Any doubts? So if you find any doubts, you just ping me. Okay.